Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. In this episode, I'm going to do some TA or technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And ladies and gentlemen, it's a pretty boring day. I don't have any news really that seems noteworthy enough, so we're literally just going to do TA in this video. And if you guys are new to the channel, just so you know, I do have other videos. I typically do a video also on altcoins, but again, very lackluster day, so I'm going to go ahead and avoid that. I will have a separate video today, though, on a playthrough of a cryptocurrency game called Decentraland. I've been doing a series on that. If you guys want to check out more of those episodes as well, you guys can check out my whole series that I've got going on. So if you guys are new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. It really does help us out. Drop a comment and hit that little bell icon, and let's go ahead and get right on into this. Okay, I don't want to waste any more time. So we got over here for Bitcoin what looks to be like a symmetrical triangle formation, and we're seeing a lot of this back and forth, back and forth. And as of right now on the daily candle, it is a red daily formation. We still have a little bit less than an hour to go, but you know, we tested that $60,000 mark, got really close to it again. For the high of the day, it was at $59,752 before having dropped all the way down to a low of $57,126. Essentially, the daily candle has been hanging out right around our level of support here at $57,600. Depending on where it's going to end up closing is going to be quite key. Right now, with this big drop, it is pulling itself a little bit closer towards the 21 EMA. Traditionally speaking, if we have 3 days of candle closures below the 21 EMA, these are large indicators suggesting a further continuation of a bear market, meaning the price is likely to have at least another day during that position run from a statistical point of view of a further decline. So keep in mind everything's probabilities with these things. Also, please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing with you guys is my own opinion. So please don't ask me directly, hey, should I invest in this? Should I not invest in this? Should I buy it at this level, this and that? I'm going to share with you guys my opinion on these things in the charts, and then you can make your own decisions off of that, okay? So let's look at some key levels here. First off, we have to try and break above $58,521. A break above that on a daily candle close would be amazing. To try and pull that off in the next 52 minutes, is it possible? It is possible. Is it going to happen? I don't know. I mean, we don't really have much news going on, and it's also the weekend. It's also like Easter. People are celebrating the religious holidays. So maybe not. I am seeing a little bit of a push starting to occur as of the moment, which is nice to see. But yeah, guys, it's a pretty rough weekend. If we can break above that, the next major level of resistance is going to be taking place at $59,582. Let's actually focus for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, it's going to be at $59,452. Breaking above that, then we got 60,000. We're still trying to go above there. And then we got the all-time high at $61,800. Anything past $61,800 is going to be the price discovery zone. And then I would really be looking at the Fibonacci sequence as the next major step. So that's going to be at $64,428. Do keep an eye on that, guys. Breaking above that, then we're going towards the run of 70,000 and trying to get back on this previous track. All right. Now, if it decides that it wants to go down, other levels that we need to keep an eye out. First off is the $57,600, where we're very close to right now. Below that is the 21 EMA. As of tomorrow, it's going to be right around the same price point here, looking at about $56,356. You can see that's very close to this bottom level support we also had established prior. A very significant drop down is going to be all the way down to $53,472. If things decide to move within the space of this symmetrical triangle pattern right here, then realistically, we could see it go basically sideways all the way over to April 21st. I know that doesn't sound like great news. We want to see it do something. People have that meme, you know, you're like poking Bitcoin with a stick, like, come on, do something. But hey, this could do a lot of this movement going back and forth like that until right there, and then it has to make a move either going up or it could end up going down, right? Right now, things are still bullish, though. The fact that we're above the 21 EMA is absolutely wonderful. We're not in overbought territory on the RSI. The technical radars are even suggesting on the buy. So we're looking pretty good there. Also, keep in mind that with the amount of drop that's taken place today, the volume itself is very, very low, guys. Let me go ahead and zoom in on this for you. Just take a look at this. That means almost nobody was buying today. Anything that was going on was pretty much just people selling. Do keep that in mind. So if buying pressure comes in, then we're going to be heading right back on up to that $60,000 price point once again. And people are, less likely to sell at lower prices unless this just has a massive drop, like some whale comes in and people start getting liquidated. Then people might start to panic. But overall, things are still looking quite bullish. It's just a very, very quiet weekend. I mean, you guys can take a look at this level right here. We haven't had a day that was less volume than today since, wow. I don't even know how far I'm going to have to zoom out on this. This is really, really low volume. It looks like all the way maybe back over here on December 6th. Like, this is just absolutely pathetic for the daily. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't realize it was that low. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go take a look now at Ethereum. Taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum had hit an all-time high as of yesterday. And then on the daily here, you are seeing a correction taking place, nearly invalidating everything that had happened the previous day. You guys do see that there is higher level volume taking place on that of Ethereum than what we had over for comparison with Bitcoin. And this one's pretty substantial, but there is some buying pressure coming back up. They're trying to hold that line at $2,045, which coincides very well with the Fibonacci sequence as well. Okay, so key levels that we want to keep an eye out for this is we have $2,045 as a level support. Below that, it's going to be at $1,968. Actually, sorry, $2,000 psychologically first. Then we got $1,968. Then below that, we have $1,945, and a significant drop would be down to around the $1,900 level. That's very close on the Fibonacci, also with the psychological standpoint. The RSI yesterday just barely dipped into the overbought territory. It can technically move into much higher zones, guys, so don't be too afraid if it does start to go over this level, especially when in comparison to more recent price action movements. So this is showing signs of a big bull run. Dipping down a little bit, so it's still got some room to still come back up. The technical radars are also suggesting a buy, so overall things are looking quite well for Ethereum. If it manages to break back above, we're going to need to get above around $2,149. And then above that, we're going to be aiming for $2,440, which is pretty close to the $2,500 psychological level. So basically every $100 increments going up to there is going to be a nice little target for now. And then a significant increase in the future. Try aiming for $3,073. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video there. I do have referral links in the description. If you guys want to check those out, you can earn some bonus cryptos using my referral links for Gemini, for Coinbase, for BlockFi. You can earn up to a bonus $250 in crypto. Oh, nice. That's pretty good. Say, that's pretty good. And then also I have referral links for stock stuff with Webull and Robinhood. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel right now. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum? I am still very, very bullish on this, and I think this lackluster day today for the weekend, I think it's going to be a very short-lived experience, guys. I think leading into Monday is going to be absolutely huge. So that's just my opinion. And yeah, you guys are awesome. Please don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, click the bell icon. It means a lot to me. You guys stay awesome, and I will see you in the next episode.